All right, perfect, Shika. First of all, thank you so much for joining once again after so many days. Thank you.
Thank you.
या आपके बहुत कीमती वक्त का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे शो पे जिसका नाम है सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी. थैंक यू शिखा जी.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Perfect. All right, Shikha, let's go to the first question. What is the current situation that you are looking right now? अभी का जो सिचुएशन है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा वृत्तांत बताएं दर्शकों को ताकि हम जान पाएं कि क्या situation right now we are suffering or people are going and getting vaccinated, workplace पे क्या हो रहा है. Go ahead, Shikha ji, and let us know.
Thank you, Diksha. इस वक्त I think ज़्यादातर कंपनीज कोशिश कर रही हैं कि एम्प्लॉइज वापस आ जाएं और नॉर्मलसी क्रिएट हो जाए, जस्ट लाइक इट वाज बिफोर प्री कोविड टाइम्स. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी रियलाइज दैट देयर आर चैलेंजेस. मुश्किलें हैं और हर तरह के फ्रंट पे है, चाहे वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम से रिलेटेड हो, चाहे वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस से रिलेटेड हो. एंड HR स्पेशली हैज टू कम अप विद न्यूअर वेज ऑफ मैनेजिंग द वर्कफोर्स and the workplace both. So come what may, insecurities high हैं, safety concerns बहुत high हैं. We're all worried about the well-being of our loved ones also. So कल को अगर मैं ऑफिस जा रही हूँ तो I want to be doubly sure that if I'm going there, I'm going to be safe and so would loved ones be. I don't carry back any infection and which kind of affects my family in any way. So I'm sure that is on the top of our mind. हम सब इस बात को लेके चिंतित है कि while we want to create normalcy, come back to life, be in touch with people, have all the exuberance back at workspaces, this definitely seems to be one of the biggest challenges and top worry today. So yeah.
All right. Yes, Shikha, you pointed it very correct. वापस जाने की हमें काफी जल्दी हो रही है जिसके लिए हम लोग उत्साहित हैं कि चलो वैक्सीन करते हैं अपने आप को, अपने परिवार को और बैक टू नॉर्मलसी जाते हैं. ऑल राइट, ऑसम. पर शिखा जी, यहाँ पे सवाल ये आता है कि क्या चीजें हम लोग ले रहे हैं, क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज हम लोग अपनाएंगे वापस नॉर्मलसी की तरफ बढ़ते वक्त. अगर हम बात करें सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी होना है for all the employees because we want the economy to be back, तो वहां पे क्या strategies आप बता सकते हैं हमें कि होना चाहिए. Over to you, Shikha.
See, only to operationalize work from office kind of a scenario, we have to be doing that very mindfully and strategically at the same time, Diksha. हो क्या रहा है कि हम old patterns के बहुत used to हैं, right? We're also used to emphasizing on long working hours, or perhaps expecting the employees to be in the same rhythm as they were earlier. We're forgetting the fact that they're coming back to the workplaces with heightened stress levels and anxiety levels, right? They're worried about their safety and security. So at the same time, they've lost touch. Somewhere जो वो personal connect था, their connect with the company, all of that has gotten compromised to some extent, I would say, not completely, because companies have made voracious efforts in keeping in touch or improving the engagement levels and sustaining, businesses in every way possible. And they've done fantastic work in that space. So having said that, I think a few things I can talk about very quickly, which I feel are going to be beneficial to allow employees to work more freely in a fluid kind of work environment. We all know hybrid model is here to stay. But how do we make that work? How do we make that work for both the company and for the employee, right? So to do that, I think one of the top things that we need to be addressing is the safety and security concern for sure. The other is that you need to create some kind of a database of perhaps a distributed workforce. Okay, let's say we need to identify the kind of role people are into. Not everyone may be required in the office facility. They may be, highly productive working from home as well. For people who are in the field work, or people who are working in factories like assembly line, for them it's inevitable. They have to report to offices. But for a lot of chunk of the organization, for people who are into administrative roles, customer service, data work, back-end support, some of it can happen at home comfortably. Now, if we were to encourage that kind of ecosystem, hybrid working, are we looking at introducing collaboration tools to improve efficiency, effectiveness? Are we introducing tools and database that can give easy access to everyone, right? We need to be aware of who's in the office, who's not in the office kind of a scenario. So I think the policies that are required should be encouraging work from anywhere kind of a concept, and that's an agreement between the manager and the employee, considering the kind of work that the person is doing, the nature of the industry that you're a part of, and it needs to be done in a very intelligent, strategic, and a long-term fashion. Not for a momentary adjustment to the COVID era, so to say. I think it needs to be absorbed into the ecosystem of an organization. It's here to stay for sure, Disha, I feel. It's not going anywhere.
Yeah, it's absolutely, Shikha. It's not going to go anywhere. We need to generate herd immunity and get vaccinated at least 100%. So to avoid corona, but corona will be there despite छोटा छोटा थोड़ा थोड़ा रहेगा, ऐसा तो नहीं बिल्कुल जाएगा. It will take some time. But yes, moving to the next question, Shikha ji, आप ये बताइए कि जैसे when we are talking about office, right? हम लोग का काम पे काफी असर पड़ा है. We are working so many hours, like where we used to work like 9 hours to 10 hours. Now we're working close to 12 to 15 hours, unknowingly or knowingly. So that's also there. But इस जगह से हमारे wellness पे भी असर पड़ा है. Sitting at the one place, one desk, one room, and most of the stuff we are doing in pretty much of a small houses. People have, most of them in Mumbai don't have bigger houses, and Delhi as well. कहीं पे भी मुश्किलात ज्यादा बढ़ गई है, उसकी वजह से मेंटल इलनेस आ रही है. तो उस पे छोटा सा आप बताइए, couple of like 60 seconds or maybe 120 seconds, how employee can recover from this trauma. Over to you, Shikha ji. Yeah.
The sad part is, Disha, you actually mentioned it well, that we are getting too carried away in this kind of a setup. So while you're working from home, I think most of us have started taking the pressure that we're not visible to our managers, okay? And in order to be visible or to get due credit of the work we're doing, we're trying to stretch ourselves way too much. Unfortunate fallout, and I see that with my husband too, they fail to take enough breaks also. Okay, I've seen my daughter continuously logged in right from the morning till the afternoon, and then doing her projects online as well. So the amount of time we're spending in front of the screen, it's hazardous. It's actually going to affect our mental, emotional well-being completely. And that's where we are failing out, in a big way, because we're losing out on our energy levels. We're losing out on our well-being. We're losing out on our basic ability to focus as well. So how do we expect such a workforce to come back with all the energies possible and contributing to improve productivity? It won't happen. So we have to be very intelligently thinking through this. If you were to encourage people to come back to their offices, how are we planning to address this health, safety hazard and the well-being pillar? Without people's well-being, you can't have productive workspaces, right? So it goes hand in glove today. Those are the cogs that are going to allow your people to work and function for you better. So we'd rather strategize around that. Some of the mistakes that people make today is that you have the bosses sitting in the offices, and we're encouraging hybrid model, but we need to realize the ground realities. Every employee feels the pressure. So a good practice would be that the manager also starts to take one odd day as a work from home. That's all right. So I think another thing is that we should be very, very disciplined when we are working from home. Ideally, that's something that's going to allow you to balance out on all fronts possible. So just the way you would sit in the office premises from 9 to 6 with at least 2-3 breaks, 15 and 30 minutes, that 1 hour break is an absolute essential. Unfortunately, we're not going by that kind of a routine, especially when we have our home offices created. So that's a little evil or an odd that needs to be taken care of. And I know of some companies who've gone ahead and done brilliant work to incentivize people so that they can create more parity, between people who are not working in the office and people who are choosing to work from home. So just saying or putting a policy around hybrid won't help alone. We have to start inculcating certain good practices that will allow the employees to kind of internalize this and feel okay with practicing it as a part of their. That's what I can add.
Wonderful, Shikha. Yeah, absolutely. You covered and touched all these major pointers that we have to make sure people should know and listen. I'm sure hybrid model अकेला काम नहीं कर पाएगा. We need to make sure कि जहाँ पे employees हैं, अगर employee को comfortability घर पे है तो उन्हें दें. अगर वो वापस आना चाहते हैं तो if they are vaccinated, we are happy to let them in, right? We are the most happy people कि सब चलो साथ में काम करते. That's more important. बट यहाँ पे शिखा जी और कोई पॉइंटर है जो आप लाना चाहेंगे बिफोर मूविंग टू द लास्ट मैसेज इफ यू वांट टू टच अपॉन
Yeah, one quick point that I'd like to add is I think comfortable work style has become a priority today, because we moved a little beyond employee engagement to creating better employee experiences. So I think that's where we need to start orienting ourselves. What is it that gives comfort? At the same time, looks into the business continuity aspect and the nature of the work the person's doing. Once you're able to strategize around this, you've done your homework well. I think there's no stopping to create a more effective deployment of a hybrid model, or let's say work from anywhere kind of a policy. So that invites co-creation, that invites us to have some facility changes also, Diksha. I don't know how many of us realize that there is a need to have more sensor-driven, entry exits instead of touch points to improve the safety security of your employees, and perhaps have something like book your desk kind of concept, so that people can have more, co-created workspaces and better efficiency to in offices. So those are some facility changes that can be done too.
Superb. I think to eliminate touch points, सेंसर बेस्ड या टेक्नोलॉजीज में कुछ ऐसा लाया जाए जिससे हम टच पॉइंट्स को बिल्कुल ही मिनिमाइज कर सके फॉर सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी. परफेक्ट शिखा जी. अब लास्ट मैसेज दिल से वाला क्वेश्चन जो दीक्षा हमेशा पूछती है, कुछ ऐसा दिल से मैसेज जो सभी एम्प्लॉइज और सभी वर्कफोर्स को मोटिवेशन से भर दे और उन्हें मोटिवेटेड रखे, क्योंकि आज का जो समय है, हमने लास्ट ईयर तो उतना नहीं महसूस करा कोविड को, बट इस साल हमने 2-3 महीनों में जो खोया है वो लाना बहुत मुश्किल है. बट इस मुश्किल की घड़ी में शिखा जी आप कैसे मोटिवेट करेंगे सबको ताकि वो वापस जाएं और फिर से अपने कर्म भूमि में लग जाए, ताकि हमें काम तो करना ही है. वी कांट सिट एट होम एंड डू do nothing and collaborate nothing, but we have to work really hard. We have to bring the economy back. We have to work for India. वो important है. तो कैसे आप उनका मनोबल बढ़ाएंगे? Over to you, शिखा जी.
भारत को वापस लाने के काम में I think Diksha, you're doing a brilliant work to get everyone kick-started and to kind of re-energize them to come back to normalcy for the country and the nation and taking it to the next level. So have spirit in all the work that you and your team are doing today. I'd like to just add one or two aspects there. One is that your mental space has a huge role to play during this crisis, and I think all of us have synergized at such a beautiful level through this pandemic, the kind of humanity I see emerge. I think you and I were speaking about this during an offline conversation, that's empowering, it's invigorating. That's what is leading us to a better tomorrow. So we don't want the past to be our future. There are a lot of things that we would want to change, right? So a lot of mistakes that we would have made in the past. I think this is the time to reboot. It's the time to reset. It's the time to re-evaluate and to also pay focus on values that we don't want to deprive our society of. So we have to be the flag bearers of all those values that we want to see around us. So start emulating more kindness, start emulating more gratitude, start emulating more self-love and self-belief. And at the same time, if you are a go-getter, no crisis can stop you, right? So my heart goes out to every single COVID warrior and every single person who's come together, synergized during this time, has uplifted many lives. We've all gone, onto Facebook and various social media platforms with only one heart and intent: to make things work for all of us. And that's the power of this one voice, one spirit and soul that all of us really are. I think that's my one message to everyone around, and to organizations I quickly touched, that they need to evolve. They need to evolve with this changing time. They need to start focusing more on the hazards that are involved during this pandemic. Focus on it more than anything else. And if you're doing that, you're sure to have employees come back to you with all the grace and pride in their hearts.
Absolutely, Shikha. You touched emotion very well. I think emotional intelligence plays a vital role in today's era. It's very important. बहुत उम्दा शिखा जी, आपने काफी अच्छा बताया कि हमें हार नहीं मानना है, हमें पॉजिटिविटी खुद तो रहना है, दूसरों को भी पॉजिटिव रखना है. वो बहुत उम्दा बात है. चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच शिखा जी. और बात हम करेंगे, और शोज हम करेंगे. हाँ जी, वांट टू से समथिंग?
एक लाइन बोलना चाहूंगी जो मेरी बहुत बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन रही है, फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट सीरियल्स. आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई वाज अ टीनेजर, इट वाज कॉल्ड उड़ान. पता नहीं तुमने कभी देखा है कि नहीं. उसका एक टाइटल लाइन है, आंखों में रोक ले तू ये आंसुओं का तूफान, लेती है जिंदगानी हर कदम पे एक इम्तिहान. सो इम्तिहान पास करते जाए और आगे बढ़ते जाए.
वाओ वाओ, अमेजिंग शिखा. मतलब आप कहाँ से लाते हो? आई थिंक यू आर वेरी इन प्रेजेंट. यू आर अ पर्सन हु आर वेरी स्पिरिचुअल एंड जिंदा दिल बोलते हैं ना, जैसे जिंदा दिल वो इन प्रेजेंस रहता है, वो पास्ट में नहीं जीता, वो प्रेजेंट में जीता है, जैसे कि आप हो. सुपर्ब शिखा. आई लव द एनर्जी, आई लव द enthusiasm. Keep spreading the inspiration like you're doing since ages, and thank you for being on the show. I really appreciate your time.
Absolute pleasure, Diksha. Wish you all great luck. Thank you for having me again.
Thank you, Shikha. Jai Hind. Chaliye. Bye bye.